We are getting a lot of wonderful new improved features in Microsoft Entra of late. In this video, we're going to talk all about Entra Backup. Let's check it out together. Entra Backup and Recovery can be found in the Entra portal under the Entra ID section. You have to scroll a little way down to find it, but there it is, Backup and Recovery. Important to point out, this is a preview feature. Now, let's see what we've got in this feature. It's all about recovering with confidence and minimizing downtime to protect your tenant. We can see we've got our overview here where we are right now, and we'll be able to see any alerts that are here. We can see some feature highlights such as viewing backups, reviewing difference reports, and going to conditional access policies that have been assigned for when a user attempts to perform a protected action. Feature updates are here and resources as well. We've got some more features under backup and recovery, the first one being backups, and we can see that we have some backups already performed, and we have got them with a backup timestamp for every day at 11 p.m. and they have a backup ID here. Now, these are done automatically, which is absolutely wonderful, and what you can do is you can click on said backup and you can go to recover that backup if you want to. However, if you are unsure of what you are going to restore, you can create what is called a difference report. And these, surprise, surprise, will be shown in the difference reports section. Now, I went and did one of these earlier on, and it took a little while to run, but to be fair, it was nice and simple. Now, what we can do here is we can highlight that difference report, we can click onto it, and we can see any objects with changes since this backup was taken. We can compare the current and past values of object attributes before recovering this backup. Only object types and attributes supported by backup and recovery will show in this report. So, as you can see, no changes were found in this difference report, so there's no real reason to restore this backup of Entra ID at this time. If we wanted to, however, we could recover this backup right from here. And if we did so, we could also look into our recovery history, which again, all of these are preview features. And here we can see completed and in progress recoveries of your tenant. Items with filters show which objects were targeted. So what we can also do here is we can see a troubleshooting and support section where you can create a new support request directly from this section. Now, this just looks like a standard support request, but it makes sense to me to put this here if you are having any issues with backup and recovery, especially when it's in this preview phase. It's nice to have quick and easy access to setting up that support ticket with Microsoft, who can help you with any issues you may have. So I think that's really nice and simple. There is some good documentation available on learn.microsoft.com about this. I encourage you to check it out. Do be very, very careful with it if you're going to use it, especially as it's in preview, and ensure if you're doing any recoveries, be happy with the differences that you see in these difference reports. Do make sure that you create them and use them effectively. Look at your overview screen and take things cautiously. And that's it, folks. A very important and wonderful new feature in Entra. I think you will all agree. Let me know what you think of this in the comments. If you found this video useful and informative, please do give it a thumbs up. Please also consider subscribing to my channel as well. It really does help me grow. You have no idea, and I appreciate all of your support. Okay, we'll wind things up there. Until next time, you all take care, stay safe, and do travel well. Bye-bye.